Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Rosemary. Rosemary has been trading with us from 8th of January up until the present date of review, 11th of June 2021. Rosemary's account is very unique because Rosemary's had a daily gain of 0.06%, a monthly gain of 1.84%, and a drawdown of 17.53%. Normally, when I find excessive drawdown from a drawdown to come back to hit 10%, I like to really take my time to analyze and review these accounts because, first of all, it's a lot of hard work put into coming back from a drawdown. There's the mental mindset, there's that resilience, and more importantly, the development and the lesson learned from this experience, because this is applicable to every single trader out there, because to have the ability to come back from an excessive drawdown almost 2 times the allowable limit is a lot of work. So congratulations first of all on achieving that. So coming down now, let's have a look at this account. Rosemary's had a total of 469 trades, and guess what? She made 649 pips to hit a 10%. So Rosemary, congratulations again. And looking at the trades you've done, this is very unique. Just like one of our top traders, Vladislav, Rosemary's percentage gain is 50% and her loss rate is 50% as well. So she's 50-50, point 1. Point 2, being a 50-50 trader, she still hit 10% coming back from an excessive drawdown. That takes a lot of mental strength and a lot of consistency and discipline. And it shows a big development from a trading perspective. So what she's achieved here is equivalent to somebody finishing the whole HTP program, because someone can go from 15,000 to 500,000. But for someone to come down from a deficit and then come back, because it's not just 10% the person's trying to achieve. The person's trying to achieve at least double that, and this case was 27% just to make that 10%. So this is a very great attempt, and Rosemary, congratulations. What pairs did Rosemary trade? Rosemary traded quite a few pairs, but the Australian dollar, US dollar, Euro Australian dollar gave Rosemary the ammunition and the big boost to get this 10%. So this is very good. I congratulate you again, Rosemary, on what you've done. This is a very great achievement. Let's look at your monthly analytics. We have minus 1.68% on January. We have minus 9.96%. Your first drawdown, February the 21st, 10.91%. Then you came back to another drawdown of minus 5.42%, 12.33% in May, and 5.5% in June. So the big lesson can be learned from your trading, as you can see the mistakes you've made. And looking at some of your random trades, you can see you've taken 0.5 lots a few times. But please always use a stop loss in place to protect you from uncertainty. And it always keeps the profits consistent and minimizes the losses. We can see on average you take your profits at 8 to 25 pips, and that is reflected on the P&L. So try and keep it consistent with your stop losses in place. Then you're going to see more consistent gains, although you've got a few reds here as well. But your losses and gains outweigh each other. They cancel themselves out because you're 50-50. So moving forward, I can always recommend you put a stop loss in place, network with like-minded traders on the AudaCity community app. Also, pay attention to your strategy. Only pick trades that have low risk, high reward exits. So like 2 to 1 is a good start. Try and trade off the higher time frames like the daily, the 4-hour. Incorporate multiple time frame analysis, and more importantly, work on your psychological mindset to give you that advantage of when to pull the trigger, when to trade, and when not to trade. All these resources can be found on the AudaCity community app, and all I'll say is congratulations on this hard achievement, and I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing the improvements on the next level.